Use a room calculation point to associate an element to a room or space. The room calculation point is a setting in some categories of families such as furniture, doors, casework, specialty equipment, and some generic models. In a family, a point is identified with a line and points. The points are positioned in the room in which an element is to be associated, as shown in these cabinet and door families. Sometimes when these families are used in a project, such as this door, parts of the geometry are located outside a room, space, or within another family. As a result, no values are reported. In this case, the two-room information is unavailable because it is outside the building. To resolve this, open the door family in the Family Editor. In the Properties palette, select Room Calculation Point. The from and to points are indicated by arrowheads on a dashed green line. The arrows depict the directions from and to. When calculation points are visible, you can move the points to a position that will be resolved to a room or space. Use the flip control at the center of the from room and to room path to reorient the from room and to room direction. In this case, select the from room calculation point and move it to the same side as the to room point. Load the family into the project and notice that the door now resolves to vestibule room 101. When you select and hover over the element, the calculation points are visible. If it resolves to an incorrect room, edit the family again to reposition the calculation point. Other families, such as this cabinet, have a single calculation point. In the Properties palette, select Room Calculation Point. The point displays attached to a dashed green line. Relocate the room calculation point away from the geometry. When reloaded, the room or space data will report as specified by the room calculation point's new placement in the project.